everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe. Hope you all are doing good today. Today's video is on how to sew in a lace closure beginners friendly wig tutorial. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's going to mean the world to me. Just click on the button, turn on your notification bell so that when there's an upload, you'll be the first to get it. And do not forget to give the video a thumbs up after watching, share to your friends, and leave me your comments. Invite your friends here as well. It's really going to make me happy. Okay, and in subsequent video, I'm going to be using the wig for hair and makeup transformation. You wouldn't want to miss that. Okay, so I'll see you all again. Bye. I'll be doing a sew-in closure, and this is the closure I will be using. Yes, so this is it, and it is half. Okay, I'm using the dome cap. Yes, so this is it. Okay, so I'm going to be making this wig on the mannequin, and I already have the cap on it, so I'm just going to place the closure now at the middle of the cap. Okay, okay, so I have placed it. I'm just going to use my pins now to secure it so it doesn't move. Okay, how I thread my needle is it's just a single thread, so by the time I put it in, it just comes out like this as two. Okay, so it's not the one that is done and doubled into 4, so I just use it like this, just single thread, just 2 like this. Okay, so and this is the needle that I'll be using, so I'm going to start sewing it round. So as I begin to sew, I have to sew this beginning for like 3 times and tie it down or knot it. Okay, so that it will be, you know, very firm. So it has to be very firm. Okay, so it's firm now. I can now progress. So if I have to sew this now, I will not have to knot it again. So it's just free sewing. I don't knot it till I get to the other end, and then I knot it. And I have to sew it closely. Okay, so I had to remove some of the pins now to give me space to sew in very well without any disturbance. So I don't have to drag it at all, because if I should drag it, then it might start squeezing. So that is why I do free sew in. I'm at this point now, so by the time I sew, I'm going to sew it and I'll stop here. Okay, and then I'll have to continue my sewing again from the other side down to meet it at this point. So I don't just sew continuously round, no. So when I get to this point, which is halfway now, I will stop here. I'm halfway, so I'm going to stop here and knot it to go and begin from the other side and come and stop here. Okay. So I'm going to knot it now. I'm going to knot it like 3 times so it will be firm. Okay, so now this is the other side, so I want to start sewing it. So I'm going to begin. This is how the sew-in looks like. Yay! I love already. Oh yes, I love already. I hope you love it too. Okay, you can just leave me your comments, okay, and just tell me what you think already. And before I am done with the wig. And this is the other side. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then when I'm done with the back, I'm going to bring it down using the stretcher, okay, and then I'll cut off this extension here. I'm just going to sew the back now, okay, from end to end, okay, and I'm just going to use my pins now to pin it down. So since this is the beginning, I'm just going to knot it 3 times so it will be firm. So I may not be talking so much again because it's just to sew from end to end and flip it till I get to this point. Okay, so that is it. So as I sew now, I will begin to knot. So I sew to the end, knot and flip it. Okay, so I'm just going to flip it like this, and then continue to sew again. So that's just what I'm going to do till the end. So I'm going to use my pin to pin it here, raise it up a little, and use my pins again. Okay, so I'm almost done with the sewing. I'm going to sew closely now. This is the closure, so I'm just going to sew very close to it, round till I complete it. Okay, so I'm going to cut underneath the net, just around it like this. I'm going to cut it off to make the pattern more visible, and then I'm going to cut off this extension as well. Okay, so I'm just going to make the closure very flat by using the hand dryer. So this is what I use to bring it down. Use the stretcher now to bring it down. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to share and like the video as well. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.